Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use web templates. First, choose a template that aligns perfectly with your website's goals and aesthetic. Many platforms offer thousands of options, so take your time. Once selected, download all the necessary template files. It's a good practice to create a dedicated folder for your project, keeping everything neatly organized. This initial setup takes only a few minutes but saves much time later. When selecting your template, think about your website's main purpose. Is it for selling products, showcasing your art, or sharing information? A good template will support this function seamlessly. Always prioritize responsive designs. This ensures your site looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Also, check for strong community support or developer updates, which can be incredibly helpful down the line. Now for the fun part, customization. Start by replacing all the placeholder text with your own compelling content. This includes your mission statement, product descriptions, and blog posts. Next, upload your high-quality images and videos to make your site visually engaging. Finally, tweak the colors, fonts, and overall layout to perfectly match your brand's identity. Most templates offer intuitive drag-and-drop editors for these changes. Before going live, thoroughly test every aspect of your website. Click every link, submit every form, and ensure all features work perfectly across different browsers. Optimize your images and code to ensure fast loading times. A delay of even 1 second can impact user experience. Once you are confident, hit that Publish button. Your new, professional website will then be live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.